The sequestration that we measure happens in the production, not actually in what's happening in the plant growth. And the reason for that is if you're going to claim carbon capture, you need to be able to measure and verify that work, which is really challenging on a smaller scale. Certainly those plants are photosynthesizing CO2 and pulling CO2 out of the air. It's just really hard to track and measure how much that's happening compared to the production of biochar, which is fairly straightforward. A lot of the regenerative practices that are important on an acre or hectare scale can also be really interesting in the context of a smaller home garden, backyard garden, raised bed. A lot of these practices are similar win-wins where, yes, you're keeping carbon in the ground, and that's really important, but you also see a lot of soil and plant health benefits by, for instance, doing no-till, doing cover crop, doing sort of rotational planting. We recommend folks explore it and start to play with some of these practices at home.